Hi, I'm Sarah from howtorunaretailstore.com, and today we are going to roll through my favorite ways to display in your store. These quick tips and tricks, I promise you will connect with your customer. You will sell more because your customer feels that connection. And you guys, these are super easy. You just need to know how to do them. So let's roll through. First, create a lifestyle display. This feels like you're in someone's home. So the person who is shopping in your store can see this in their home. It's all the same person, very bohemian, little perfume, sunglasses. It has a little bit of everything inside of your store and tells a story. And speaking about telling a story, if you have matching items like you see here, we have a dress and a pair of pants in the same fabric. We have done an entire display. Again, that tells that story. Plus, if someone likes the dress, maybe they'll buy the pants as well. Have fun with your displays and your customers will feel it. These are feathers that we have in our hat bar, but guys, how unexpected is that? The amount of people that come up to this display and touch the feathers and then start looking at the jewelry, I can't even tell you, it's countless. So be unexpected in your displays. Always fully style. We have a bag, we have belts, we have jewelry, earrings, and necklaces. We have the entire gamut. We didn't just throw this sweater on here. We have a cami underneath the sweater. This way the customer can see the entire effect. You can show off your styling skills and maybe they'll buy the entire outfit. Always go all the way. Signage is king, and we love these little mini chalkboard signs. You want to give the customer as much information as humanly possible. You can see here, this isn't just the price. We are telling them how to create a display inside of their house. You can customize these little chalkboard signs for an immediate signage on your displays, and your customers will appreciate it. Don't be afraid of larger signage. This is a sale rack we have inside of our store. I could just put one small little sign on top of this rack, or I could just price each thing individually. But if the customer just breezes by looking at everything else we have inside of this store, they would never know that these are on sale. Multiple signage means multiple opportunities to sell an item. Create a color display with not just the clothing, but with all of the items surrounding it. Here you see we have these beautiful plums and tans, and guess what? The products on top, all of the foliage, the products below, they all match. It tells an entire story, but also it just seems super inviting to the consumer. And lastly, never forget to layer in your displays. You can see here we've used wooden boxes. There we have a lucite riser. Here we have books. We have lots of elements that are giving different heights, and so the consumer is drawn to see what we have done. This can be done super easily with things that are hanging out around your shop. As you can see, we use a little bit of everything, but I promise you, your displays will look even more curated and your customers will respond by spending more money. I hope you liked all of those tips and tricks, and don't forget to follow me. We have new videos coming out every single week. All sorts of things from finance to displays to behind the scenes of what I'm doing inside of my store. We love to hear your questions and comments. If you have any suggestions for videos, I also love to hear that. We'll see you soon.